Hello students, produce suppliers ship boxes to produce the individual customers. The distribution of weights of shipped boxes is approximately normal with mean as 36 pounds and standard deviation for 4 pounds. Which expression represents the weight in pounds of the 75th percentile of the distribution? So we know that the formula for the z-score is given as x minus mean divided by the standard deviation. So here, for the 75th percentile, the z-score is 0.67, and that is equals to x minus mean divided by standard deviation, which is given as 4. So if we cross multiply, so we got into 4 into 0.67 plus 36. That gives us the x value required, and that will be the final answer for this question. So according to this, the correct option should be option D. Thank you, students.